So now I will explain the most valuable concept. The most valuable concept, especially for your advanced Java related terminology, JDBC. Sir, almost around 1 month, 1.5 month, the people are going to spend in Amirpet to learn JDBC. But just in 5 minutes, I will explain the total overview of JDBC in simple layman terminology. In the simple, anyone can able to understand. Sir, my intention of telling this small analogy, just you in your mind, the people who are feeling the JDBC is a big, tough technology, difficult thing, nothing. Nursery level standard concept is JDBC. Sir, just the basic terminology of JDBC, the basic JDBC flow, just I will explain so that you people can aware, nothing will be there, sir. Sir, here observe that, assume that I have, sir, currently I'm in Hyderabad, India, Hyderabad, right? Assume that. Sir, this is, so where I am, sir? I am in Hyderabad. I came to know that there is some place outside of India or otherwise some place where gold is available at very low cost, diamonds are available at very low cost, like I got the information. Okay, that place is, assume, XYZ place. Okay, some place or maybe, sir, XYZ place where gold is available, sir, 1 rupee per kg, sir. Okay, sir, 1 rupee per kg, don't feel really, just for example sake I am taking. Next, diamonds are available just 1 rupee each. Okay, assume that. Sir, currently where I am? I am in Hyderabad. Next, where the gold and the diamonds are available at very low price is, there is some place is there, XYZ place. Now my requirement is, I want to get that gold and the diamonds, 10 kgs gold and some 100 diamonds I required, sir. Sir, I want to get that. But to get that, I don't know here how to, sir, here XYZ place, their language is the different. Okay, here I am using Telugu language or otherwise English language or otherwise Hindi language. But XYZ place people language is some new language, sir. Ko-Ka language, assume that. What language? Ko-Ka language, assume that, sir. I don't know about their language. My language is the different. This person language is the different. That's why I have to arrange one translator who has to convert my local language into their understandable form, their language statements into my language statements. In the middle, compulsory, some translator must be required. Are you getting right? In the middle, some translator must be required. Okay, I arranged one translator, sir. And after arranging this translator, okay, one translator ready, who knows that XYZ place language, sir. Now this translator is ready. After, sir, having the translator, now I have to think about how to reach that place. What is the connectivity to that place? Sir, is there any road is available, or train facilities available, or flight facilities available? Like I have to think about connectivity, sir. Assume that connectivity currently not there. Then I have to build a road. Are you getting right? I have to build what? I have to build a road to reach that place. Assume that. I have to build some road to reach that place. Next, road is also ready. Once road is ready, then to send my requirement to that XYZ place, compulsory some vehicle must be required. Are you getting right? Compulsory some vehicle must be required. I prepared some vehicle also. Vehicle is also ready, sir. In this vehicle, I provided my requirement. Array 10 kgs gold I required, 100 diamonds I required. Okay, like I kept this one. Okay, this is now my vehicle started. Have you observed up to this terminology is very clear? Sir, I am at Hyderabad. Okay, I want some gold and diamonds which are available at XYZ place. Okay, but I don't know their language. That language, their language is different. That's why I arranged one translator for the communication purpose. Next, to reach that place, I build one road. Once the road is ready, then I have to think about the vehicle, because to reach that place some vehicle must be required. Sir, in the vehicle, I told my requirement. Hare, can you please bring 10 kgs gold and 100 diamonds? Like I placed my requirement. Okay. Now I send this vehicle, okay, to the XYZ place. Sir, it reached XYZ place, because this vehicle person can aware this XYZ language. He can able to communicate with that. The required money, whatever I provided, they hand over. Then this XYZ place people provided, okay, 10 kgs gold and 100 diamonds inside a small box. Okay, small box. Now that box, okay, whatever vehicle I have, are you getting right? Whatever vehicle I have, sir, they kept inside the vehicle. Okay, now this vehicle with the result, whatever the result is there, with that result, this vehicle reached my Hyderabad place. Are you able to understand? Sir, in this example, just let me review once again so that you people can aware. Sir, I am at Hyderabad place. Gold and diamonds are available at XYZ place. Okay. Sir, I want some gold and diamonds. That's why. Sir, I want that, but I don't know their local language. For that purpose, I arranged one translator who knows about that local language. Next, sir, to reach that place, road is not there. That's why I build that road. Okay, like next, to reach that place, some vehicle must be required. I prepared one vehicle with my requirement. Then this vehicle reached XYZ place, and sir, whatever it updated our requirement. Then immediately this XYZ place people provided 100 kgs gold, 10 kgs gold, 100 diamonds inside, okay, this vehicle inside a box. Under that box they kept inside a vehicle. That vehicle reached Hyderabad, right? That's all. If you can able to understand this story, nothing is there. Your JDBC concept got completed, sir. Then immediately you ask, sir, JDBC is a technical terminology. You told some gold and diamonds story. How it is going to be JDBC technology, sir? Like you people may have the doubt. Let me map this terminology with the technical terminology, right? Sir, currently where I am, sir? I am at Hyderabad place. Are you getting? Assume that this thing is nothing but Java application. Are you getting right? What is this one, sir? This one is nothing but what? Java application. It is a Java application, right? Sir, now, sir, Java application, here XYZ place where gold is available. This XYZ place is nothing but, okay, database. Are you getting? Database. From Java application, I want to communicate with the database. Are you able to understand? For the JDBC we are going to use. Next, Java language terminology is the different, database terminology is the different. In the middle, some translator must be required to convert Java calls into database calls into Java calls. This converter, this translator is nothing but, okay, driver software. Who is this person, sir? Driver software. Are you getting? So translator is nothing but one driver software. Next, I have to build the road. I have to build what? Road. This road between Java application and the database is nothing but connection. Are you getting? Connection. Now Java application is there, driver software is there. Next, connection is also there to communicate with the database. Once a road is ready, now I have to think about vehicle to reach that place. This vehicle is nothing but statement object. This vehicle is nothing but what? Statement object. Okay. Sir, what is the purpose of statement object? To send our requirement to the database. Some vehicle must be required. That vehicle is nothing but what? Okay, statement object. Sir, with my required, this requirement is nothing but SQL query. Are you getting? This requirement is nothing but what? SQL query. Sir, this statement object with our SQL query, it reached database. Now, database side people, database engine will execute this SQL query and provide required result inside a box. That box is nothing but result set. Are you getting? That box is nothing but what? Result set. Now, sir, that result set placed inside this statement. Now this vehicle can come to Java application. Now that result by default available to this Java application, right? That's all, sir. Itself is nothing but nothing. Your 1 month, 1.5 month JDBC course. Have you observed, right? Java application wants to communicate with the database. The required technology is JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Clear, right? Okay. Next, Java terminology is the different, database terminology is the different. In the middle, some translator must be required for communication. That translator is nothing but driver software. Clear, right? Okay. Sir, to reach a database, some connection must be required. Some road must be required. That road itself is nothing but connection. Are you getting? To send our SQL query to the database, okay, and to carry the result from the database, some vehicle must be required. That vehicle is nothing but, okay, vehicle is nothing but what? Statement object. Now, sir, vehicle statement object reached the database with our required query. Now database engine will execute that query. The results, sir, database engine will place inside a box. That box is nothing but result set. Are you getting? This result set will send back, okay, to the Java application. Now the Java application can use those results, right? Everyone can able to understand, right? So this one, if you can keep this small analogy in your mind, then automatically nothing will be there in the JDBC, right? Sir, now I have one question. What is the rule of driver software? Driver software converts Java calls into database calls, database calls into Java calls. What is connectivity? Connection object is nothing but just like road between Java application and the database. What is the statement? What is the purpose of statement object? To send our SQL query, to carry result from the database, some vehicle must be required. That vehicle is nothing but okay, statement object, right? Okay. What is the here database engine will execute our query, and that result will be placed inside a box. That box is nothing but result set. Are you able to understand? This is the simple JDBC application. This is the simple JDBC concept. This is the terminology what we have, sir. Observe the basic components. Driver software, statement object, next and after that result set, next a connection object. These 4 words and SQL query is nothing but database terminology, right? Are you able to understand? That's all. Sir, now I hope everyone got the basic idea. What is JDBC? So JDBC is a technology which can be used to communicate with the database from Java application. Sir, here this is my Java application, sir. Observe that this is Java application. From this Java application, I want to communicate with the database. Are you getting? From Java application, I want to communicate with database. Have you remembered, right, the steps? One translator must be required, road must be required, vehicle must be required, okay? Then we will get result set. Like I told that gold and diamonds story, I hope you aware. Sir, very simple. I don't want to talk about so total internal things, but just the basic idea you people has to get. Step number 1, okay? Sir, here arrange a translator. Are you getting? Arrange translator. Translator is nothing but what? Driver software. Arrange one driver software. This is our first step, sir. In our layman word, we use a translator. Okay, like, sir, how you can arrange a translator? Very simple. Step number 1. Sir, class dot for name of Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. Are you getting? Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. Sir, we are loading and registering driver in our Java application. Okay, to our Java application. So Oracle driver software by default available, right? Sir, here anyway, sir, make sure, sir, where this class is available. Something like internally we require to set OJDBC6.jar in our class path if I'm using Oracle 11G, sir. Okay, this is so once you install in your Oracle database, sir, where this one is available and so on, you people aware, sir. First level 1, okay, sir, load and register driver, arrange a translator for your Java application. But very fortunate thing, from JDBC 4.0 version onward, automatically this activity will be performed. We are not required to perform these activities, sir. If you want, you can comment this first step. Okay, like, sir, driver software available to my application because I set driver software jar file in the class path and loaded driver class also. First step, sir. Second one is the very simple. Once translator is ready, then I have to think about road between Java application to database. That road is nothing but what? Connection. Establish connection between Java application and the database. Sir, how you can do? It is also very simple. Connection con is equal to, sir, there is one person is there, driver manager dot get connection. Sir, what is the URL of database? We have to provide what is the URL of database, right? Okay, there is some fixed format is there. JDBC :Oracle :thin @ okay, localhost :1521 okay :xe. Sir, here being these internal things, not required to worry. Just in the next videos I will explain, okay, clearly what is this and so on. Sir, very simple, sir. JDBC Oracle database is running in the local machine. Next at port number 1521. Xe is nothing but SID, system ID. Next, sir, what is the username? Scott, okay, second Tiger, okay, like. Sir, this line, what it is doing, sir? It is build the road from Java application to database. That road is our layman terminology, but here technical terminology is nothing but what? Connection. Establish connection between Java application to database. How to build connections? Driver manager dot get connection method we have to call. Sir, up to this, Java application is there, translator is there, road is also built. What is the next one, sir? To send our SQL query to the database, some vehicle must be required. Are you getting right? What is that vehicle? Statement object. How to create statement object, right? Just observe that thought. Okay, statement st is equal to con dot create statement. That's all, sir. Vehicle is also ready. So driver software we registered, we arranged. Second step is nothing man, establish the road. Third one is vehicle is ready. Sir, once vehicle is ready, can you please send your SQL query to the database? If I send SQL query to the database, database engine will execute that query and the result it will provide in the small box. That box will send it to the Java application. That box is called what? Result set. Have you remembered, right? Just execute query, send execute query and get the result set. Sir, fourth step, result set RS is equal to, result set RS is equal to st dot execute query. Sir, which query you want to execute? Very simple. Select star from which table, sir? Gold and diamonds. There is one table is there in my database. Are you getting? Select star from gold diamond. In the gold diamonds table, whatever there, can you please provide? Okay. Sir, now observe the first step, arrange a translator. Second step, establish a road. Third step, prepare vehicle. Fourth step, send our query with that vehicle, execute that query and bring the result in the form of result set. That's all, sir. Java application has a result set. Now process that result set. Very simple. While rs dot next. Sir, if the next record is there, system.out.println rs dot get a string of item. Which item? Sir, in the database table, gold and diamonds table, there is one column is there, item plus rs dot get int of quantity. Sir, quantity, how much quantity is there? Like I'm taking. End of this one. That's all, sir. Simple steps. Have you observed? Load and register driver software, but this step is optional from JDBC 4.0 version onwards. Sir, build the road. Once road is ready, build a statement. Once a statement execute, then you will get a result set. Process that result set. That's also a simple JDBC application is nothing, but that's all. These are the steps, sir. First think about driver software. Next think about road connection. Next think about vehicle. Vehicle is nothing but what? Statement object. Sir, by using that vehicle, I can send my SQL query to the database. Now that vehicle bring back the corresponding result. Now I got the result. Just process that result. Use that result in your Java application. Is it clear for all of you? Once the work with the database got completed, can you please close that road so that no one is going to use that road. If you want, you can do con.closer. That's all. So don't think too much about JDBC. It's a very simple. Next, what is this JDBC URL, username, password? Slowly while next examples going on, you will get. Are you able to understand, right? Sir, simple JDBC is nothing but matter of 4 steps. Step number 1, load and register driver. Step number 2, establish a connection. Next, prepare statement. Once a statement is ready, send and execute SQL query, bring a result. Now you will get the result in the form of result set and use that result set in your Java program. That's all, sir. Simple. Sir, don't think too much about, sir, what is the JDBC URL? Next, what jar file we have to insert and so on. Slowly you will get these things at very basic level. You are not required to worry as of now. First, try to get basic idea in your mind. What is JDBC? How Java application can communicate with the database, right? Sir, now just let me execute this program. Have a look, sir. Very simple. Sir, here just have a look about this program. Sir, here connection, all these things are available in java.sql package. That's why import statement I wrote, sir. Next, class.forName. Class.forName. Okay, this one we are not required to worry because I kept inside a comment. Sir, build the road. Connection con is equal driver manager dot get connection. Forget about arguments dot. That's all. Sir, create statement object. Once a statement is ready, now send your SQL query. Send your SQL query. Next, while rs dot next, sir, rs dot get string of item, get int of quantity. Okay, con dot close. That's all. A simple JDBC application is nothing but like this. Sir, let me open database, sir, because in my system SQL plus is there. Okay, username Scott, next tiger, like this I took, sir. Sir, here select star from gold and diamonds table. Okay, like, sir, here gold 10 kgs are there, diamonds are nothing but 100 is there, something like item and quantity. Let me run this Java program, sir. Sir, here Java C. Sir, what is the name of the program? JDBC demo. Like this I took, sir. Have you observed? Happily the code compiles fine. Java JDBC demo is like this I took, sir. Have you observed, right? What is the answer? By default we are going to get gold 10, diamonds 100. That's all, sir. Sir, this is the simple JDBC application what you people should aware clearly, right? Are you able to understand, right? Okay, this is the simple JDBC application what you people should have clear clarity, right? Okay, sir, first step, so register, load and register database driver is nothing but, of course, arrange some translator. Second step, build the road. Okay, build, establish connection. Third step, prepare vehicle. Vehicle is nothing but what? Statement. Fourth one, send and execute our SQL query. Okay, by using that statement object, by using that vehicle. Next, that vehicle will provide result set. Use that result set in your Java programs. That's all, sir. What is the arguments? All these things are not required to worry. Just try to get basic idea. JDBC is purely nursery level concept. Clear for all of you, right?